So I'm not going to waste a lot of time again, lecturing you what to be done and how to do it. But Major sir, I just actually came back from Ladakh on 6th. So I spent 11 days over there to understand what the challenges our Jawan and the Fauji brothers are actually going through. And being an entrepreneur, being an investor, how we could actually come up with solutions that can be indigenous, that can be provided to the last mile, and the connectivity can be created. So, three things. One is the strategic relationship that we are building right now with other countries, because that is going to affect our national strategy, and then how we can actually see outside to the world. So India is in a situation right now where there are already 3 to 4 wars are already going on. So if you are this side, right side, then obviously you will be taken as friends. If you are extreme left, I can see the people who are understand the right and left side. I'm not talking about whether you love the party of BJP or Congress or leftist, but if you are on the left side, then people might hate you. And today we are living in a world of social media. So whatever you say, whatever you build, it is going to create your image. So that is where we are in the situation. So guys who are actually sitting at the back, I would like to request you if you come to the front, because we are here for you and you are our future. So maybe you will take some ideas and build the companies that we need in defense ecosystem. So instead of sitting at the back, if you can come to the front, that would be great, so that we can have more interaction. Otherwise, मुझे बीच में wall दिख रहा है कि I have to cross there. So please guys, please come forward. क्लास में पीछे बैठते थे यार, ये क्लास थोड़ी है, ये यहाँ पे हम बिजनेस बनाने के लिए आए हैं। आ जाओ, आगे आ जाओ। Come on guys। क्या हो गया? How are you going to protect the country if you are not listening to someone? And we're talking about defense, right? The discipline is the one of the biggest thing. Sorry sir, हम लोग you are part of the things, but obviously we are going to address to them. So भाई यहाँ पे क्लास नहीं चल रहा है, we are just waiting, to discuss with you guys, because you are the future. कोई बाहर मत जाओ, ठीक है? So basically the reason we are building this ecosystem is the future, and everybody as an entrepreneur looks at two things. Otherwise, they can get a job, they can get a high salary, they can have a 10 years, 15 years roadmap, they can grow as per their career. But if you are getting into entrepreneurship, if you think that your ideas can change the world and you become part of a solution, then I'm just giving you a very small figures that you might be able to take a decision based on whether you want to be part of the entrepreneur ecosystem or not. So here are the opportunities. Indian space startups, how much they have raised? 353 million US dollars across 72 funding rounds in the last 5 years. And this is the data I'm taking from Ministry of Defense, 2020 to 2024. What is the future? So 24 we are just passed. We are just in the beginning of 2025. India will have to invest 4 to 5 billion US dollars, so which is around 40,000 to 50,000 crores, to develop the indigenous 6th generation jet engine. And that came from the DRDO Summit Common Sir. So this is what the opportunity we have. Now who is going to build this? You guys are going to build this. And Fensor was saying that there are a lot of problems on ground. We have to build 100% indigenous right now. So what the future of warfare? That are the opportunity for us, right? So whatever you see right now happening in Israel or Palestine, it's not that you are sending any, fighter jets and fighting. What they are fighting with? Drones. right? One country is destroying another country with simple drones, which is probably 6 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees, or maybe less than that, right? So think about, we are sitting somewhere jahan pe we have 3 to 4 enemies on our top, maybe 1 or 2 at the bottom, which we are good friends with, but still they have challenges, and that challenge is going to affect, right? You probably have seen what Sri Lanka had gone through in 2023 and 24, and how that affected us. Bangladesh was a great friend to us, but see what happened in 2024. What is happening right now? We have to give somebody a prime minister in our country. So think, where are we sitting right now? We have regular attacks every day happening from China, from across the border, right? And we're not talking about Pak occupied Kashmir, we are not talking about Siachen, we're not talking about how much, what areas the China has taken. So if we're talking about undivided India, which once used to be, and it is going to be probably in the next 10 years or 15 years. So we have to actually build that strategy. You guys have to take the decision, because we are already probably 35, 36, so we might have another 15 years or 20 years lifetime, but you guys have a more lifetime, maybe you will live another 30, 40, 50 years in India. So you guys have to make a plan. So accordingly, you have to build the products which can keep our borders secure, which can keep our citizens secure. At the same time, we can build something and that can be exported. So India is not in that position that we are buying everything or imported everything. No, sorry, those days are gone. There used to be a time, and I can tell you that because when 2001-3, when I was appeared for CDS, and my brother was serving, in Indian Armed Forces, and he's from ASC, so I understand how many, each and every moment he used to travel to one station to another station to procure the products, getting the food, testing in the testing lab, and getting it to the CSD canteens. So now everything is actually done in India. That creates an opportunity. So there are a lot of challenges. Sir is already telling so many challenges, whether it's electricity, mobility, heaters. So those are the challenges which are real world challenges and today. So you take one product or one idea and build on top of that. So that is where it's going to be. But think how you are going to build it. Yes, you have a great idea. You want to change the world. You have to raise the money. But no investor is going to come and put the money in your idea. Unless and until you have a proven track record. You might have already gone to companies, worked there 10, 15 years, bring that experience, and you are starting a company. Yes, investors will listen to you. But if you are just coming out of the college and you want to build a multi-million-dollar company, nobody is going to listen to you because you don't have that much of experience, right? So how to do it? So the only way, as Sir was saying, it is more of collaboration. So that is where we actually started. When I decided to come back from Google US, Google UK, and to come back to India and build something in defense technology that can change our frontiers, that can enable our soldiers and empower the family who are sitting behind. Because एक फौजी जब 6 months, 7 months, 1 year, 2 years border पे fight करता है, so it's not about him sacrificing for the country. It's about his family who is sitting behind him continuously supporting. You guys are lucky enough, you have birthdays, you have anniversaries where you might be with your parents. I came from a family where I probably have not seen my brother for 3 years or 4 years. Neither birthday. I've lost my dad. I cannot go back to that past. But that was like 6 years when I lost my dad and he was in armed forces. So I have seen those sacrifices. I decided myself to the other side. When I actually moved from academy, did my MBA, I decided, okay, if this is what the problem statement is, then we need to actually empower our soldiers. So the innovation can only happen within the Indian Armed Forces. And if that has to be done, then we have to change the course that is already going on. सो अगर आप नावल ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, आप आर्मी ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, आप एयरफोर्स ज्वाइन कर रहे हो, या तो कोई भी स्पेशल फोर्सेस में हो, but the problem is there inside on ground, so the solution has to be built. How the solution can be built? So we started with a simple idea, and that we used to do in obviously Google. Every alternative week we used to do hackathons. So what is the hackathon is all about? The hackathon is actually working on a problem statement, creating a very mini version of what you're going to build, right? So it's a blueprint. Like अगर आपको 500 rooms बनाना है, ये कॉलेज बनाना है या एक यूनिवर्सिटी बनाना है, तो आप उसके पहले एक रेप्लिका क्रिएट करते हो, right? So this is where actually the things start. That 36-hour complete focus, nobody is going to get out of this hall. We lock the door, we provide the food, everything inside, and people actually do collaboration. So we put around 480 to 500 people together. Those are engineers who are developers, designers, finance guys, mentors, investors, everybody for 36 hours. No distractions, completely focus on building the product. So watch that word, focus is very, very important. So when we actually built this 36 hours to create a proof of concept, and now we have IDEX who has given almost 800 plus problem statements to us. And obviously, we go back and see what exactly the problem statements, who we can talk directly to. Because if you are an entrepreneur and you're building something, but nobody is there to buy it, right? In defense, we have only one procurement, that is Ministry of Defense. So now the opportunity is you build either for India or you build outside for India. So if you are building a product, then it is for India. But if you are building gun, or if you are making something that can be exportable, then the whole world is now waiting for India, right? At the moment, India is exporting to 108 countries. Think about guys, 10 years behind the scene. 2014, 2015 when Startup India started, before that, हम निडल तक बाहर से इंपोर्ट करते थे डिफेंस में. आज इंडिया में कोई ऐसा प्रोडक्ट नहीं है जो बाहर से आ रहा है. And if it is coming from outside, then it has to be manufactured, it has to be assembled, it has to be go through the quality testing, then the Ministry of Defense is going to procure. And I'm telling you because last 6 months we have seen that people have brought drones from outside, Chinese drones, and trying to sell Indian defense. And Indian defense procurement team has rejected those. Everywhere it was in the news. So that is an opportunity for us. We are building for 1.4 billion population, and if we have to do it, we have to do it indigenously. Because आज अगर हम fifth generation, fourth generation जो भी हम fighter jets ला रहे थे, it is not about getting a fighter jets, but think about behind that, right? The technology, the cyber security. So today, if you even have a fighter jet, and think about it is coming from a country, maybe France, maybe UK, maybe somewhere else. टेक्नोलॉजी उनके पास है, कल उसको उन्होंने लाइट बंद कर दिया तो आप क्या करोगे? आपके पास सब कुछ है यहाँ पे, but you cannot fight, you cannot secure your country. That is the reason we need everything to be 100% Indian and 100% indigenous. तो बनाएगा कौन? हमें ही बनाना पड़ेगा. So that is why the Prime Minister has given a problem statement to us. It is about Viksit Bharat 2047. So 1947 में हम आजाद हुए थे. 2047 को हमें 100 साल हो जाएगा. We are in 2025. So we have probably another 25 years with us. But if we have to be developed country, we still a developing country. But if we have to be developed country, तो हमें वो थर्ड जो इकोनॉमिक सुपर पावर है, हम अभी है इकोनॉमिक पावर है, we have to be number one, right? So हमें इन्वेस्टर्स चाहिए, हमें एंटरप्रेन्योर्स चाहिए, हमें आइडियाज चाहिए, हमें मेंटर चाहिए, हमें इंक्यूबेटर्स चाहिए, हमें एक्सेलरेटर्स चाहिए, हमें कॉलेज भी चाहिए जहाँ पे डिफेंस स्टडी अकॉर्डिंग टू नेक्स्ट 15 इयर्स 20 इयर्स में क्या होने वाला है वो भी पढ़ाना चाहिए. So that is what we are actually building. So hackathon is a first step where you spend 36 hours, build a replica prototype and take it to the market, test it. So you might have 500 people, 1,000 people to taste it, give the feedback. Then after you take it to an incubation center. So that's like a second version of it, where you get 50 lakh rupees from the Startup India scheme, up to 50 lakh rupees. That gives you some energy of money, some motivation, so that you can hire one or two or three people who can help you out. And trust me, entrepreneurship is not lavish, it's not luxury. Sir Mohit sir was saying that just few hours before. It is a very lonely job. So you have to collaborate. You have to find the people. You have to tune in your mind and set that goal. If tomorrow I won't have money, how I'm going to survive? And I'm telling you a story when I was in the college, because I have been gone through that. 2007-8 when I was studying MBA. The same thing I did. And the nesting point is we were throwing our wallets inside our suites or in our dome. And without any taking any carrying any money, we used to go to the university. And we challenged ourselves, if we can come back to our dome in the evening without money. So what you do? You beg, you borrow, you do whatever, but if you don't have money, you can survive in that day, then you can build a business. So 2007-8 when I did my MBA till now, I've seen the top. I have worked with almost the Prime Minister of UK and everything. Then I decided only one statement when I was actually inside a chamber and boardroom. इंडियंस बाहर आके इतना सक्सेसफुल कंपनी बना लेते हैं तो इंडिया में क्यों नहीं बना पा? तो that changed, that actually hit my brain, and I decided नहीं 3 साल के अंदर मुझे वापस जाना है इंडिया. So I decided, and I came back, and then obviously I'm spending 6-7 months. I again go back and come back. That is how the process is happening to me. But to make things happen, you really need to understand that. So getting to the incubation center, where is your, you guys are lucky because you have an incubation center here. You have a startup hub here. So go and reach out to your mentors. Go and find a seat in that incubation center. Doesn't matter whether one person is coming, 2 person is coming, nobody is coming, doesn't matter. Go and sit there. Then that is how you basically use your blackboard or whiteboard and create your problem statements. And if you have 24 access in this college, then there is no better place than this, because you have the AC, you have everything, so you can come and get the ideas, get the brainstorming, get bounce back each other's ideas 24/7. And spend that 6 months of sacrifice. Maybe your MBA is 2 years, but spend that 6 months of sacrifice, build something that you can take it to the market. And trust me, वो 50 लाख रुपया जो आज गवर्नमेंट आपको दे रहा है, and if you properly use it, you will definitely make to the next level. You will maybe getting a pre-angel round or maybe an angel round when you have 5 to 6,000 customers who are ready to pay you the money. And I myself actually did that. When I was working in Google, I was getting good salary. I decided to sacrifice that, come back to India with my savings, got some money from Richard Branson and from my Google Ventures as well, and decided to spend that money and create something that I can have. Trust me, we just registered the company in 2023. We are not, finished our 1 year anniversary yet. But we are serving right now 18 states, 21 cities, and almost my dam is 36 lakhs in armed forces. So this is where you have to dream big, but to make it happen, you have to go step by step. And that's the lesson I want to, leave with you guys. How do you want to change that? We are almost there to support you. But then the thing is, you guys have to take that decision, right? तो थोड़ा लाइटर मोड में आते हैं, because it's like a relationship. आप जब किसी भी बॉयफ्रेंड या गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ रिश्ता बनाते हो, it's not like you will also chasing and the other side no green signal, no red signal. So उस तरफ से भी आना चाहिए. So पॉलिसी है भारत में, प्रोक्योरमेंट हो रहा है, प्रोडक्ट बन रही है, हम एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. So everything is done in last 9-10 years, and I myself are witnessed it. So if I could see it, you guys could also see it. You just have to open that, boundary and get to the next level. To get to the export level, we have already an accelerator program. So in accelerator, we do 4 products. One is entrepreneur in residence. So guys who have ideas, please come, spend 9 weeks with us, and trust me, you don't have to go to the Y Combinator. You don't have to apply to US to go and change your destiny. It can be done in India as well. So that is number one. We have a mentors in residence program. So experts like your MBA professors, veterans who have already served 35 years, 25-year plus their cooling off period, so they can also become your mentors. We have also investors. So we have created an investor hub in India right now. We don't have Arvind sir here, or there is no one from IDEX, but we already have an investor hub in Ministry of Defense right now. So if you need anything beyond 50 crore or up to 50 crores, so that money is also available right now with IDEX as well. So 1.5 crore, 10 crore, 50 crore, that's the grants available. Grants without private equity. So you don't have to sell your company ownership to anyone. That level of support is available right now in India. As I'm talking right now, so we have that support available right now. If you need anything beyond 50 crores, we also have a VC fund which I'm setting it up right now with the GIFT City in Gandhinagar. So we have a cross-border entrepreneurship development program has been created. We have signed a memorandum of understanding with 7 countries: UK, US, Israel, UAE, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore. So we have that opportunity also available right now in India. This is in a beta stage in tech, but the money is available, and we are already working with SEBI to get the compliance clear as soon as possible and make that money available to Indian entrepreneurs as well. So I would say, अगर हम 40,000 करोड़ 50,000 करोड़ की बात कर रहे हैं next 4-5 years में, तो you guys have to take that initiative, get started, do something that can actually save, that can save our country, that can save, provide the safety to our armed forces. Because trust me, me coming from an army family, I can tell you the stories. It will never finish, but you guys need to understand the gravity of severity we are going through, and then make that change. So with this, I will conclude. Thank you, sir.